Fan TV after San Miguel had won the game with a survival in the overtime over NMAX Road Warriors. Final score in the regulation 78 all. SMB had won in the overtime scoring 10 points to 2. That's a total of 88 to 80 in favor of the SMB squad. Yancy Do Ocampo is the best player of the game with 17 points, 12 rebounds, and 5 out of 9 from the field. Maganda yung performance nila nung first quarter na sila by 10-point lead at the end of the first quarter. Sa second quarter, umarangkada ng NLEX pero nag-hold on ang Beermen patungo sa first half. Sa second half, nabitawan ng depensa itong Beermen dahil pinapakalawan ng NLEX ng mga tres with the likes of Jonas Villanueva and Simon Enciso, the rookie. Kaya lumamang ang NLEX by almost 10 points. Pagdating sa fourth, tumindi ang laban at nag-step up ang San Miguel Beermen para may balik yung lamang. Kaya lang, nakakapos sa dapat may panalo ng mas maaga dahil naka 3 puntos si Jonas Villanueva para ma-force sa overtime. Kaya tumindi ang laban. Na-level up na yung game hanggang sa extra period. Sa extra period, kahit na foul out Junmar Fajardo, to the rescue naman si Yancy De Ocampo para mai-salvage ang panalo nila sa score na 88 to 80. Magandang performance si Yancy De Ocampo pagdating sa 2-point shot, lalo na sa long 2 range niya. Kahit anong position niya sa naitapat sa ibang players, wala nang atrasan na to nung si Yancy. Si Brian Aruela and Ronald Tobin, good performance for me because nag-step up yung game nila sa San Miguel Beermen, pero ang values lang. Na-foul out sa fourth quarter itong si Junmar Fajardo at na-foul out para yung sunod si the captain Arvin Santos sa middle of the overtime period, mga 2 minutes and 37 seconds. Kaya bad news itong San Miguel Beermen, pero na-spare ni Yancy De Ocampo yung scoring at dinepensahan itong kalamangan nila sa overtime period para may panalo. And 8 wins and 1 loss record na, and they go up to first place followed by Alaska with second. SMB is possible to make it to the direct semifinals with a very long break para magpahinga ng matagal hanggang mahanap itong bagong opponent pagdating sa semis. Ang best player sa akin will be Yancy De Ocampo because he's a better shooter pagdating sa career niya as a San Miguel Beerman. Unlike niya noon, nag-step up siya para may panalo yung game nila against NLEX ngayon. Kaya I put on best player of the game. Anyway, let us tell us in the comments section below, and we will evaluate the game on the player ratings, the best and worst player against the NLEX game. Kaya we will stay tuned for that later on. Anyway, like us on Facebook, facebook.com/thebeermanfantv. Check us on YouTube by like this video, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, The Beerman Fan TV. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram, both on The Beerman Fan TV. Anyway, salamat sa pagtutok sa The Beerman Fan TV. I'm Andre Alvaro, and I will see you on the best and worst player ratings later on. Inshallah. Bye.